Good day, and welcome to Ken's Hobbies. Today might just turn out to be a very interesting one. We've got to get the internet going to Mama's computer in the office that I've turned in a bedroom into her office. Been debating two routes which way to run a cable for the Ethernet card. My original route not going to work out, so I come up with a plan B. And I'll show you what my original plan was and why I chose plan B. That being said, let's get out. But I gotta first of all been gathering what I'm going to be needing on this job. I will be needing my router, and I'm looking for my drywall bits. And do you think I can find them? You're right. No way. Another item I'm looking for is called my fish tape. You think I can find it? Right again. Oh, I think I just see my fish tape. I think one of the two items has just been found, and that's the fish tape. Ta-da! One fish tape. One router. Now to find the drywall bit for the router, because there's a section that I got to open up in the drywall for this project. You're not going to believe what I just found. Looking for my drywall bits for the router, I found the bracket plates that I need for my CPU or air cooler for my new unit. I'll be dipped. Now I'm contemplating which one to do first. Finish my new unit or getting Mama's internet. I think we're going to stay focused on getting her internet going, because that's going to take time. So I did find my drywall bit, changed it. So there's my drywall bit in. And I'm just thinking what other tools I'm going to be needing for the task. Okay, well, here's the plan. Our heat duct is here. Our joists of the floor run like that. My original plan, I ain't going to be able to really carry it out. So that's why I came up with plan B. And that is, going to loosen this off, get my fish tape, and run it down, because our heat pipe is running this way between our joists. So I'm going to move this plate here. Oh my goodness, the garbage in the base of this. Well, isn't that interesting? Hey, that is very interesting. Hey, I just discovered we're only getting partial heat here. I'll be darned. The fun again one can run into, and things you find when you're doing any kind of modifications. And whoever put this in sure didn't do a very good job. Okay, we have nail there on the sides from the feels of it. So what we will need is, I just discovered that the pipe here isn't even connected properly. It's out there, so you're only getting 1/4 of the heat that you should be getting. So this was definitely the right choice. Well, I gotta go get my hammer and my pry bar. Okay, now I'll move the desk a little farther back. So first thing we gotta do is see if these nails pulled out. That's one. I get a light here. There it is. cut this tape off. Feel that open. Do a little bending here to get it up. Now it's taped on this side too, okay. Oh, great. Get my knife out. Yeah. Okay. It's going to be a little fun to connect this together. At this moment, it can be achieved. Yes, it can be achieved. Even just that, what a difference. Now that we got this opening, we'll feel under here, and that is going to work out. So that's where it's going to be our entrance point, right about there. And then we can just staple it along the baseboard. Perfect. Solution. So, okay, let's get the drill. I'm going to put this at a little bit of an angle, so it's not quite as sharp of a bend on the that hole should be big enough. We'll soon find out. Get our cut fixed point here. And just like that. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, at that point, this is where the fish tape comes in. We got to come now, calculate a pipe that runs under between the joists this direction over there. So, I'm going to do some approximate measuring here. Got my tape measure here. Our line comes with the closet door here. Let's open the closet door here so we can figure out here. Okay. We take our tape measure here. And our wall is 12 feet. Well, let's get, come on, tape measure, stay there. Let's get, ouch! That all the time. Stand up and I wear something to the shoulder. I'm going to lay an object here, our entrance to the door here. What I'm trying to do is calculate so that when I go downstairs, it gives me an idea where to open my drywall at. Okay, so we know it's 12 feet now. There's our line. Yeah. So the next number I need is approximate figure to our doorway. If we look, we're at least between 3 and 3.5 feet. Now we're going the hallway. So 3.5 feet, we put that entrance right here. That's about there. What did we say that measurement was? 5 feet?
Yeah, 5 feet, yeah.
And that 5 feet was from the doorway, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's from the doorway to here, then it's 5 feet from...
Yeah, I'll put it here on the map. Our duct is approximately right here.
Yeah.
I followed the line, I made a line to our 12-foot mark, so we're 12 feet there.
Yeah.
And does that look about right to that duct now, where that tape measure's sitting?
Oh yeah,
So our
yeah.
pipe's coming here.
Yeah.
You feel the difference already? I just hooked the thing up, bent there, where it wasn't connected.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it feels warm. Right,
Yeah.
It's fucking warm. Jeez.
I wouldn't be surprised if it's the same result in that room there. Because these are the two coldest rooms.
Gotta figure that out.
So, that looks about right. Okay, so
Yeah.
3, 2, make 5, correct?
Yeah. Like 3 to 2, yeah.
Yeah. Well, we said our wall was 5 inches from, or 5 feet from the doorway, right?
Yeah.
Okay, stand right there. There's not much of assistance, but it is assistance. Okay, a 5-foot mark is right there. So with this side of the wall, with that side of the wall, let's go downstairs and try to figure this out.
I don't know.
You can be my camera person now and start filming.
I regret the router.
Oh!
I didn't see it in there. I thought it was maybe looking for it.
Okay, I'll just pause. Okay, what we're going to do here, I originally had this opening here, and I'm pretty sure that this is where the pipe for our heater source for that room is going. So we're going to take this plate off and have a look inside behind it. Okay, well, I see I missed the original location. Time for the old super fast now, I've got little wooden plates behind here, and I've hit each one of them. That's lovely. Well, so we're going to now try to break this piece out of here. It's either that or find my screws. And you know how fun that can be, try to locate where your screws were. Faster to just get the old pry bar, and that's why I gave it a little bit of a shape. Deal with it later.
You laugh when I tell you where it was. Now, as you walk right there and make your turn, where's your jacket?
Right here.
That's where it was. How many times did we walk right past it?
Yeah.
Both of us.
A few times.
Well, I kind of figured that would happen. It hit the two. When you're putting a piece, you know how you put a piece in behind here to screw it in? Well, sure as hell, I hit them both, all of them. So, only an option left now is to break this piece out. Ouch! Of course, grab it right where the screw is. That's what I'm talking of. Save that. Hit that one perfect at that corner. Okay. That doesn't give me much. Okay. This point now, I'm going to go up there. I'm going to feed the fish line.
Yeah.
See if you see it coming here. See, there's just enough clearance there for the cable to come through. So I'm going to fade the fish line, see if you can locate it. Oh, you got light on your phone, right?
Can I see your light? Can't see anything.
Can you hear the tape at all?
Yeah, I can hear it, yeah.
Are you close or how far away?
I don't know, I can't really see the tape itself. It's such a tiny little space, I can't get my eyes through there. What the hell? I don't know why we don't see it. This isn't the right spot.
Okay, whereabouts do you hear it?
I can kind of hear it on my left side.
On your left side, that's this.
Maybe, yeah.
Are we one joist out then? That could be a good
Yeah,
possibility.
that's what I was wondering too.
Okay, we'll find out. I got lots of spare rock in the house, in the shop. So. What was that calculations again from that mark? We can do it this way. No, we can't, because that's below the joists. The joists are... Aha! The joists are above here. I'll bet you that's what I'm hitting. Let's make this a little bigger. Just broke my deck.
Okay.
I lost my balance there. Doesn't take much to break those bits. We can reuse that piece. Okay. You didn't see my light when I shined it down here, eh?
No, I might have seen a little bit of something. Just try it again, because it was hard to even get my eyes through there.
Okay, I'm going to try to shine my light again down here so see which one of these two.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
That's the only thing about drywall. It's so damn dusty.
Hold on. I'm gonna try to turn this light off for a second just so I can like see it, because it's such a small space. Because I can't see it yet. Hold on 1 second. Okay, now it's shining again. Oh fuck, yeah, I don't see anything. What the hell? I don't understand that. Oh yeah, Yeah, I tried to turn the light off so I can see if I
Oh,
can hear light.
yeah, and you didn't see nothing.
No, like I thought I can definitely hear more on this side, but like it's hard to tell too because you kind of hear.
I know, it's echoing through the main piping.
Yeah.
That was a good idea you thought of, turning the light off to see better.
Yeah, I was trying to look through there and I was like.
Okay, so plan B, or plan C. Well, it's the next day. Went and got me some more drywall bits so I could get the old router back in use. And then bought a filming it. But I opened this up a little bit more, coming this way, trying to find that heating pipe. Finally figured out the far one there, we were on the wrong one. I found the one we were after between this section here, up there, so I cut a little bit more than I really needed to. Then when I got the surprise of my life when I came to this side, thinking I could get in between there. Again, I went too far, and there's no way I can get my hand up through this point here. So I had to cut into the ceiling. Well, I don't know if the camera will show it, but got a great big shock. Discovered our pipe comes off the main ducting here, starts out going down here, but then at the far end, they got it going through this joist here and coming up on this side. I'd like to know who did the heating job in here. I'm going to try to give you a shot of what I'm talking of. I don't know if it'll show up. No, I didn't think it would show up. Anyhow, that is the situation. So at least we know that we have to come down here with the wire, and we're going to punch a hole here to bring it down through here and run it that direction along here. So that's this stage. The next will have to be at the other end, and that's why I chose here, so that I can use my fish tape from that end. So once we get here, now I'm contemplating if I got to open up the ceiling over there, or can I get it from the furnace room. We'll see when we get there. Okay. Get the old fish tape out. So set up here. Get a light in here. Oh, never believe what I can see up here. How the devil did a ball get up in here? Okay. Oh. Too tall to stand up straight and too short to be on the knees. Oh, let me get a spot here to hold my leg. Oh, I gotta think of something different. I practically got to get my head in there, guide it to begin with. So, trying to think how I can achieve that. Too hard in that position. Grab a seat cushion here. See if kneeling will help. Now, watch me knock everything over. Move this router. Get my foot on this side. Yeah, that's what I figured. Kneeling is too low. Standing is too high. I gotta come up with a method where it's gonna work for me. What if I was to put bucket on the chair so I'm lower than the top of this deep freeze? No, well, that plan failed. See, I need to come up at least a foot. A good foot. I could get the step ladder out. I think that's what I'll do. Get the old step ladder out. In order to get that step ladder out, gotta move things here. Gotta move this exercise bike over so that I can move this freezer down a bit and in a bit. That should be enough. I hate these obstacle courses. This place, that's why I lost all interest in my shop. This house is just as bad. Obstacle course. I need to hire a maid or something. Where the hell's my step ladder now? the hell she appreciates this. Probably not. She'll probably be whining and crying. Oh, miss, oh, yeah. Knowing her. Well, I went for the step ladder and I could not find it. I don't know what happened to my step ladder, so we'll try this method. Oh, that'll work. Just a bit too far. Now let me move it over a bit. Okay, get that up there. Ouch! Oh! Oh! Gotta get it over that lip. Got a lip that I gotta get it over. Get out of there. Get over there. Oh, this is not gonna be easy either. But at least I got it started. I don't want to lose it. But I gotta get it where I can. It's not going to kill my arms. Great. Now we're hitting something. The only trouble with these fish tapes, they tend to stay curled. Catching on something. Damn. I gotta take a break. I'm just thinking, maybe my snake might work better in this situation. An area, when it stays in a curl like that, makes it so much harder. If it would come out and stay straight. Okay. Well, I gotta take a break. Not easy. I'm getting too old for this bull kind work. But if I don't do it, nobody else will. So I have no choice. Anyhow, I'm going to hunt for my snake. I think that's going to work better. Well, I've been searching for 2 hours for my, snake. And I'll be darned if I can find it. While searching for it, I remember having a couple of whip antennas from when my CB days. So I got thinking, why can't I use these whip antennas? They're straight, they're solid, and I'll be able to push it. Should be able to get the bend where I need it. So we're going to give this a try and see what kind of results we can get with it. These do have quite a bit of flex because they are fiberglass. I'm glad to know what the hell this thing is on me. Oh, I forgot my flashlight was there. Okay. Now, ouch. I can't find my black tape either. So the way I'm going to join these two whip antennas together is by strapping the two together using a pile of zap straps. So we're going to put one there, and then we're going to put this like that, and we want two of them. We're going to put them kind of back to back. Oh boy, come on, I need 3 fingers. Oh, I gotta get a different position. Too high or too low? Seems like there's no winning. Now we're going to take this other whip antenna, put it in the reverse order.
Oh, it's so much harder in a small area to do anything than in a large area. The object for the back-to-back is like so. Get on there. If I can get my fingers to cooperate. Oh boy. This isn't as easy as it sounds, especially when you got tension pulling on you. You need octopus arms. Okay, let's get this a little tighter. Almost to the point where we can get that strap. Gotta be almost near the end. I get one on. Come on, let's cooperate, fingers. Ah, yeah, right. Ah. Oh, well, I had the other day. If only he was around. With that third hand, you get this where there's not so much tension on it. Oh, gotta come up with a different plan. This one on the back side, so that the hook is down on the pole part. Now, can we get that through there? I could rest that on the door here. Oh, John, stay there. Oh, stay there. Oh, you stubborn mule. Obviously that door is not square. I'm going to have to find my black tape. Where in the devil did I last use it? 'Cause this one's fighting me. The door is not doing what I want it to do. But we do have those connected, but I've got to tape them together. So I've got to find that black tape. I know I had it yesterday. I probably left it upstairs. Could be upstairs, could be anywhere. Well, I found my black tape. It's hiding on my table in the shop underneath other objects hiding it. Yeah! Well, I could keep that antenna from sliding down that door. Gotta come up with something keeping that stinking thing on the door. Should have brought a pair of vice grips with me or something. C-clamp, anything to keep that from sliding on that door. Put a little extra right here. When you won't stay on that door. We got 12 feet in total here. And when these two with antennas together, it's a total of 16 feet. And I felt ahead, so it's got to be there. So now it's going to matter going back upstairs. And if it's there, we're going to take the Cat 6 to that antenna and come back here and pull it out. Cross the fingers, that is. I'm going to pause the camera here while I go up there.